Have you ever felt like you're working hard but not getting closer to your dreams? It can feel frustrating and even disheartening. What if I told you that there's a way to focus your energy, clarify your goals, and actually start achieving them? Enter the Vision Board, a powerful tool that combines creativity, psychology, and the law of attraction to help you bring your dreams into reality. By the end of this guide, you'll have a step-by-step plan for creating a vision board that isn't just inspiring to look at but actually works. Let's get started. A vision board is more than just a collection of pictures on a poster. It's a visual representation of your goals, desires, and the life you want to create. The effectiveness of a vision board lies in its ability to engage both your conscious and subconscious mind. Here's why it works. 1. Clarity. Seeing your goals visually every day reinforces what you want. It brings a level of focus and clarity that verbalizing or writing them down doesn't fully capture. 2. Emotional connection. Images evoke emotions and emotions drive action. When you feel joy, excitement, or pride while looking at your vision board, you're more likely to take steps toward those goals. 3. Reticular activating system, RAS. Your brain's RAS acts like a filter, focusing on what's important to you. When you repeatedly look at your vision board, your brain starts noticing opportunities and resources to make your dreams a reality. Think of a vision board as a daily reminder of the person you're becoming. Creating a vision board that works starts with setting the right goals. But not all goals are created equal. Vague aspirations like "I want to be rich" or "I want to be happy" won't cut it. You need to get specific. Ask yourself these questions. 1. What do I truly want? Break it down into areas of your life: career, finances, health, relationships, personal growth, and experiences. 2. What does success look like for me? Picture your dream life in vivid detail. How do you spend your day? Who are you with? What do you feel? 3. Why do I want this? Understanding your why creates an emotional connection to your goals, making them more meaningful. Examples of specific goals. Instead of "I want to lose weight," say "I want to lose 10 pounds in 3 months by eating healthier and exercising." Instead of "I want to travel," say "I want to visit Japan next spring, experience cherry blossoms, and try authentic sushi." Write these goals down. Your vision board will serve as a physical representation of these dreams. Vision boards can be physical or digital. Both have their advantages, so choose the one that fits your style and lifestyle. Physical vision board pros: tangible, creative, and fun to make. Materials: a corkboard, poster board, or foam board, scissors, glue, markers, and magazines. Digital vision board pros: easy to update, portable, and sleek. Tools: Canva, PicMonkey, Pinterest, or even PowerPoint. No matter which medium you choose, the process of creating your vision board remains the same. Now it's time to bring your goals to life. Images are the heart of your vision board. They need to resonate deeply with you, evoking strong emotions and a sense of connection. Where to find images? 1. Magazines. Flip through magazines for visuals that speak to your goals. 2. Online resources. Search Google Images or Pinterest for specific pictures that align with your dreams. 3. Personal photos. Use photos of yourself, your family, or meaningful moments. Examples of images for common goals. For financial success, pictures of checks, savings goals, dream homes, or luxurious lifestyles. For health and fitness, images of healthy meals, people working out, or yoga poses. For love and relationships, photos of happy couples, wedding scenes, or symbols of connection like hearts. Place these images in a pile or folder for easy access when it's time to assemble your board. While visuals speak volumes, words add clarity and reinforcement. Incorporate affirmations, quotes, or even single words that capture the essence of your goals. Examples of affirmations: I am worthy of love and abundance. I am strong, healthy, and full of energy. I attract opportunities that align with my purpose. Examples of quotes: your life is as good as your mindset. What you think, you become. What you imagine, you create. Make sure the words and phrases are positive and in the present tense, as though you've already achieved your goals. Now it's time to put everything together. This step is where your creativity can shine. 1. Layout. Arrange your images and words on the board. Group related goals together for a cohesive look. 2. Balance. Use colors, spacing, and decorative elements to create a visually appealing design. 3. Secure. Glue, tape, or pin your items down. For digital boards, arrange everything neatly using your app of choice. This process should feel exciting and empowering. Take your time and enjoy bringing your dreams to life. Your vision board needs to become a part of your daily routine. Place it somewhere you'll see it often: your bedroom wall, above your desk, or even on your bathroom mirror. For digital boards, set them as your phone wallpaper, screensaver, or save them to a folder you check daily. Seeing your vision board regularly helps reinforce your goals and keeps you motivated. A vision board is only effective if you engage with it. Spend 5 to 10 minutes each day looking at your board. Don't just glance at it, immerse yourself in it. Visualization tips. Imagine success by closing your eyes and picturing yourself living the life on your board. Feel the emotions like the joy, pride, or excitement of achieving those goals. Take notes and jot down any insights or ideas that come to you during your visualization. This daily practice trains your mind to stay focused and sharpens your ability to recognize opportunities. Here's the most important step: action. A vision board without action is just a collage. Ask yourself every day, what can I do right now to move closer to my goals? Examples of small steps. If your goal is financial success, start by setting a budget or exploring side hustles. If your goal is fitness, sign up for a gym class or take a walk. If your goal is to travel, research destinations or start saving. Small, consistent steps lead to big results. Your vision board should evolve with you. As you grow and achieve your goals, take time to reflect and refresh your board. Reflection tips: 1. Celebrate wins. Acknowledge the goals you've achieved. This builds confidence and momentum. 2. Reassess goals. Are there new dreams you want to pursue? Add them to your board. 3. Keep it fresh. Update visuals and affirmations regularly to maintain excitement. A vision board is a living tool, not a one-time project. Vision boards work because they tap into powerful psychological principles. 1. Neuroscience. The reticular activating system, RAS, filters information and focuses on what's important. By repeatedly seeing your goals, you program your RAS to prioritize related opportunities. 1. Emotion. Emotions drive behavior. When you feel excited or inspired by your board, you're more likely to take action. 1. Repetition. Daily exposure reinforces your goals, keeping them at the forefront of your mind. This isn't magic, it's science in action. A vision board is more than an art project. It's a tool for self-discovery, focus, and manifestation. It transforms vague dreams into actionable goals and aligns your thoughts, emotions, and actions with the life you desire. So, what are you waiting for? Start by defining your goals. Gather your supplies and let your creativity flow. Your future is waiting. Go create it.